Hi guys, and welcome to Youth Enlightenment Podcast, Dollar Jam Live. So you would have subscribed to Dollar Jam Live, and this is a tutorial on how to use and navigate Quotex, right, on our desktop. So you would also have an accompanying video for those of you who would be on your phone, or if you want to alternate them. So understanding the live trading is very simple, and there are a few things that you would have to learn and understand in order to follow and copy trades alongside us every day, whether it be the morning sessions or OTC sessions in the night time. Right? So we would have accompanying videos on how to deposit onto Quotex and how to withdraw your monies. This here is just a tutorial on how to enter, follow and copy along the trades. Good. So the first thing you want to do is be sure that you are on a live or demo account. You don't want to enter a winning trade on a demo account and a losing trade on a live. So you need to be aware of which account you are on. So to the top right hand side, you would see an arrow with these stars here. You would be seeing your live balance when you have funded. If you haven't funded it, you would be seeing zeros. So when you click it, you would see live account and demo account. What you want to do when practicing is use the demo account. Demo account is fake money, it is practice money, it is where you're going to get a feel of things, right? On your live account is where you're going to actually put in your real money. To take trades, this is the account that you would be able to get withdrawals from. So the first thing I want to do when practicing, or if you are uncertain because you are new, you are going to select your demo account. You would see demo to confirm. Right. So now that you are on a demo account, just to confirm, you would then now be able to take practice trades. So after selecting that, I would then navigate to the top left hand side where you will be seeing this blue plus button. In here is where you're going to find the currency pairs to have them laid out like this. So on the sessions, we will be analyzing the charts and we will tell you which one of these currency pairs to go on. So on selecting it, you would see a list of currencies, different cryptos, commodities, and stocks. We usually do not trade any stocks, commodities, or cryptos. We strictly stick to currencies. Now, next to each currency pair, you would see the letters OTC. OTC is over the counter. It is a simulated market, meaning that the broker which is Quotex, the website that you are using and seeing now, has given you a simulated market. The real live financial markets that all the banks and stuff use to trade closes in the night time and on weekends. So as this is night time and this is filming, you would only be seeing OTC available to you. On the morning sessions, the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. session, when you are trading, you are not to use OTC under any circumstances. The market would be different and you would enter the wrong or losing trades on these accounts. This is for personal use or trading on the nighttime sessions, not daylight sessions. So everything that you are seeing here will be duplicated on the morning sessions without the word OTC. So daylight, when trading with us, you do not use OTC. You will see everything else here without the word OTC next to them, and that is what you are going to trade, right? When we are calling trades, look for the ones without OTC on a morning session. In orange here, this is the percentage that you would get back on a winning trade. So as you are seeing 93% here, if you was to win this trade for $100 US, you would get back your 100 in addition to $93 US as profit, right? As you can see. So now that we know how and where to select the pairs, we will then go on to the other thing that you need to know. So you will click back on this, and then we will come over to the right hand side where you are seeing time. Now we usually take trades for 5 minutes or 1 minute. So what we could do is click switch time, and then you will see 1 minute here. We only take trades for either 1 minute or 5 minutes. The person calling the trades will tell you whether to select a 1 minute or a 5 minute. So in this case, we would select a 1 minute. If not, you can click switch time, and the only other time that we would use is the 5 minute. So we will tell you which time to set before the trade is called. So on the top right hand side here is where you would find this. Below time, you would see investment. Investment is how much money you are going to put into your trade. Now this can be a dollar figure, or this can be a percentage. It depends on how you want to look at it and how you want to take trades. Dollar Jam is designed to take multiple entries on each trade. So we would keep your risk small and take multiple entries on it. We do not want to over leverage. Over leveraging simply means that you are taking trades that your account cannot handle. So for instance, if you was to have $100 in your account and you was to be taking trades at $10, that would be 10% of your account. You only have 10 trades to use before you blow your account, as opposed to using proper risk management, which is 1 to 2% of your entire account balance. If you was to take $1 trades with a $100 account, you would have 100 trades before blowing the account. So please risk accordingly. This is your money and you are free to do what you want, but take heed to what we just said to you. The other thing that you have to remember or consider is the up button or the down button. The up button means buy. On a session, you would not hear up, you would hear buy. So green is up, which is buy, and red is sell, which is down. So on entering a trade, as you can see here, you would see the percentage period is 80%. So on a winning trade, you would get back your dollar plus 80 cents. The percentage will vary based on the pairs. Good. So when you enter a trade, which we would do now, just for instance, we would enter the trade. So as you can see, there is this figure on the screen here. If you also zoom into it, you would then see this green line on the screen. I will make it bigger for you. This green line on the screen here is your entry point. We want the price, which is this dotted line. The price is the dotted line that is always moving, to finish above this green line. Once the price finishes above this green line, we will then win the money. Right? We will win the percentage payout. As you can see here, the trade is in the red. Once the trade is in the red, that means we are losing the trade. And once it is in green, as it is below here, we are then winning the trade. If I was to click sell now, and the market was to go below, then you would see the trade in green. Right? So what we are trying to do is predict where the market would go and then take trades accordingly to that. So these are your entry points. Once you enter a trade, there's only two things that happen. Either you can win the trade or lose the trade at this point in time. Right? So once the market finishes either above or below the trade, you will then win or lose the trade. There is nothing you could do but wait for the trade to play out at this time. You will then see we have a timer running. So we have 4 minutes in one trade and 3 minutes in the other trade. This suggests how much time you have left in the trade. Right? So you can analyze how much time you have based on these numbers here. On a winning trade, you will then see them green, which is money that you can withdraw, and on a losing trade, you will see them in red, which is money that you have lost. And that is basically what the sessions is about. Right? Sessions is simply us calling trades, predicting the market, and once the trade was to go through, you would then win or earn US dollars back to how you deposited, which most likely would be crypto. As you can see, every time the price, which is the dotted line, fluctuates above or below the line, it would go either green or red. Green is wins, red is losers. Right? On Dollar Jam sessions, we are very profitable. We look for gains on the account, which could be anywhere from 5 to 10%, could even be more based on market conditions on the day or an hour-long session, whichever comes first. Right? So any other questions, you can feel free to reach out to the person that brought you in and show you this video. And all the best on a profitable session, and let's do it together. Thank you.